In this video, we'll be showing you how to upload your React application to Netlify so that other users will be able to view your React application. So to begin this process, go ahead and make your free Netlify account. Once you have done so, go ahead and log in and you should see a screen similar to this. Go ahead and click on New Site from Git. And here you can choose how you want to upload your code to Netlify. I'd recommend just creating a GitHub account and uploading your React project to GitHub. Once you have done so, go ahead and click on GitHub, and it's going to ask you to sign in. That way it can view your repo and be able to upload your project. And once you have done so, you should then see a screen similar to this where you see all of your GitHub repositories. But here I went ahead and just searched for the repo that I want to upload, which is my React portfolio. Go ahead and click on your React application. Once you have done so, it's going to have some options here, but go ahead and just leave all these default options and click on Deploy Site. And once you get to this step, you should see Site Deploy in progress. And if you want, you can go ahead and click on it and click on this deploy here. And here you'll be able to see all of the stuff that's happening in the background. But because this process takes a little bit, I went ahead and uploaded a React application already. And here is what the final result should look like. You should have a URL, and when you click on it, you should be able to see your React application, and you can see the domain up here. And that's pretty much all the steps there are to it. If you found this video helpful in any way, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe.